Hey everyone, headed to Iko and Awatuki. A lady just called. She has a rattlesnake in her backyard, so headed that way now. I wonder how long he was stuck there. He's stuck in some netting there. I know, little buddy, poor guy. Look at his poor little stomach there. He's been trying to get out and he just couldn't. What's this? They're like a free, okay?
I have a rattlesnake in a garage in Cave Creek. Sounds like it's been denning there, so I'll find out very shortly.
It's right in this right there.
Oh, okay. Oh yeah. All right, well let me get him and then I'll look around and see if there's anything else going on here. So where is that where he was originally?
That's where he was when I saw him.
Okay. They are wanting to spend the winter somewhere, so you might have thought this would be a good cave for that. Do you want me to check in the back really quick? Sure. Okay. So this begins for me the start of garage rattlesnake season, where primarily the snakes that we're going to get called for are trying to den inside of structures, inside garages, inside grill islands, that kind of thing, instead of running around crawling. So that's my first one where it looks like, okay, it's a seasonal resident. That snake found that cave and decided this looks like an alright spot to spend the winter. So this snake is denning, but it's not really cold out yet. It's getting down to kind of the low 50s at night, still high 70s during the day. So why are they hiding when those are pretty good conditions? The answer is still water. This animal probably doesn't want to just be hanging out outside, drying out. It's not going to rain anytime soon, and there's really no point in trying to eat when it could get cold at any time. So more or less, they're going to bed early so they can conserve what they have. There's really no benefit to being on the surface. This is why when people comment on our posts, things like that they are seeking warmth in the winter, that's not it. They're looking for the correct temperature, which a lot of times isn't warm. They don't want to just be burning through those resources for nothing. Pretty healthy snake. Come on. Where am I? This is not a garage. You want to go crawl in there all the way and hide. It's got to hide. It needs a place to go tonight. And if you don't find that specific spot, you are not doing the job. All right, so that pack rat nest probably goes way down into the ground, and it is well insulated. They are very common spots for snakes to use throughout the year, including the winter. Didn't want to be in a garage. It just lived out here, and then someone wouldn't put a garage there.
Okay, so you're snappy. Don't tingle yourself more. Buddy, just trying to help you. That might be it there, bud. Free! Free! Alright, free snake. Go, buddy. Alright, we got this little bud tangled in that netting. Thankfully, I was able to cut it out, and there he does have some, like he was struggling trying to get out, and it did cut his skin right there. After a shed or two, it'll be fine. Aw, I'm sorry. I know, that netting's pretty awful. I know people use it to keep out bunnies, but you gotta get that finer mesh just so snakes and things don't get tangled up in it, because, you know, they can get tangled pretty easily. Okay, so there you go. You're safe. You're free. There you go. You'll be okay. You'll be okay. See you, bud. Actually, that was I think the first snake tangled in netting this season. Usually I get a few and I haven't got any, which is good, I guess. Not only is it a little dangerous and sketchy, but also like the poor snake had to struggle. She said it just probably got in there last night, got tangled last night, so it wasn't in there too long, but I was happy she found it. It would have definitely died. It couldn't get out on its own. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you later. Bye.